Good boy. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? No. No, he doesn't want to say hi. Good boy, Marley.